Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A56 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, however it does not really matter, you can be on whichever mode you want to. What is more, I just wanted to draw attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So the grid lines and the leveler should disappear. So now all we have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon in the right lower corner and enter the settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings option and tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.